Legends tell of a boy who could fly, but even Neverland couldn't escape the fallout. Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we are laser engraving a custom post-apocalyptic Peter Pan artifact. I'm focusing on the background first, using high-density laser settings to capture the corrosion on Big Ben and the intricate detail of the children waiting below. Getting the likenesses of J.M. Barrie's classic characters right in this gritty Fallout aesthetic requires precise LaserPecker settings. We are almost ready for our main character. And there is Peter Pan, the Wasteland Explorer. This central figure has incredibly dense detail. Look at how the laser tracks the texture of his flight suit and his dynamic, hovering pose against the lightwood grain. Check out the quiz, comment your rating of the artifact, and subscribe. Work safe and safe travels, Vault Dwellers.